from Puerto Escondido, Oaxaca. We just arrived after a 12-hour bus ride. We got some good sleep, so hopefully we can go and show you around right now, so stay tuned. Puerto Escondido, Zicatela Beach for the Big Wave Challenge. Just finished the first heats and the first round.
Todavía 37 minutos en el reloj, todavía muchos. Alex Botello.
Yeah.
Big Wave Challenge. There you have your champ 2006.
Straight to the award ceremony, guys. Los invitamos al podio.
Good afternoon from Puerto Escondido, Oaxaca. We're in La Punta, staying at the hostel called the Zapotecos, and I decided to show you the hostel. The hostel is very basic, as you can see. It has some nice beds that facing the ocean. Right here you got the area where you can hang out and meet new people. Everybody is really nice here. It's pretty chill, as you can see. And then what's really cool about the hostel is it's on the beach, as you can see. Here we are. Oh, look up! Oh. So you have to be like. To the Punta Cometa here in Mazunte. We gotta take all these stairs, as you can see right here. Okay, now we arrived to La Punta Cometa beach. After spending the night at Mazunte, we went back to Puerto Escondido and visited this beautiful beach called Carrizalillo Beach. Carrizalillo Beach is perfect for beginner surfers. It's also perfect if you want to just jump in the water and get wet, because other places of Puerto you cannot even jump in the water because of the big waves during this time of the year. Our time in Puerto Escondido came to an end. On this video, we visited Puerto Escondido and Mazunte. They both located on the state of Oaxaca. Stay tuned for more adventures, and until the next time, we tell you, hasta luego.